Jack, what are you doing? Oh, did they give you a treat here once? We're at the Village Veterinary Hospital. We're gonna go visit just to say hi. Oh, beautiful bird.
You have it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's fine. So I owe you a nickel.
505.
What are you guys doing here?
We came to visit, and actually, if it's okay, I will film for his YouTube channel. Are you okay with that? Oh, bud, you're getting excited.
Do you want a printed or email?
Is that okay if I film you guys for his YouTube channel? It's Jack the Buddha.
Email it.
I don't see why not. I would
Okay.
personally rather not be.
Okay, that's fine. I will not put you on film. Anyway, we just came by for a treat. Jack likes your treats here, so.
Email.
Perfect. I will email it.
I can't think of
Of course. Anything else I can help you two with? No.
Come on, Jack the Buddha. Come on, buddy. You got a treat over here. Then we'll let you get back to work.
Oh, that makes me so happy. He's got away with those birds, so I'm happy to hear it.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.